Champ Barbecuers. Today we're using the Pit Boss Vertical 7. We are throwing in some country style beef ribs, and we're going to be doing up some asparagus wrapped in bacon because bacon makes everything delicious. And we're going to fry up some radishes today. And mac and cheese in the house. Put this all together. And weather's made a big change around here. Let's take a look. And I'm in a t-shirt right now, but outside is below 20 degrees. No fun. In here, nice. It's nice. I don't know the temperature. I got to bring out my thermometer. Anyway, let's check on them country style beef ribs. Alright, had to call an audible. The Blackstone propane tank went out. I was actually, I had it on for a little while, getting some heat up in here, right? Right, yes. I needed, it's, like I said, it's cold as hell. Anyway, so I was going to do radishes and onions on the Blackstone, so we are now going to add them in a Dutch oven with the asparagus wrapped in bacon, all together in one Dutch oven in the Pit Boss. Where is it? So, it is what it is, man. You always adapt and overcome. And that's what, man, it is what it is. Beef ribs are actually sitting in the Weber, resting. I'm going to pull them out. They hit 201 degrees. I'm going to pull them out, put them back in the Pit Boss, and I'm going to slather them up with some Texas barbecue sauce, bold and spicy from Heinz. Hell yeah, good stuff. Should go very well on beef ribs. And it's still not too bad in here. Like I said, 20 degrees outside. It was 58 in here. It's dropping, but no less than 55. Cheers. I gotta get another beer. Time for the taste test. Oh, the smell is amazing. That is so tender. Wow. Wow. Great smoke ring for the Pit Boss Vertical 7. Damn. Wow. That is rocking. Man, country style beef ribs. Oh, I'm telling you. I mean, damn. That's just a chunky, fatty piece, and I don't care. Oh. God dang. That's rocking. I did it at 350. Cooked for about 2 hours. Hit 155, almost 60. Pulled them, wrapped them, dumped a little bit of their drippings back in, and poured a little beer in it. Kept that sealed up till we hit 201. Pulled them, let them rest for a while. Got them back out of the foil, and we put some Texas Bold and Spicy from Heinz on it. Get back into the Pit Boss at 350 for about another 20-30 minutes. That is good. Now we got some veg in there. We got to pull that. That's coming along. And my mac and cheese that was done inside with bacon. Let's get a taste of that. Just a Velveeta. You can never go wrong with mac and cheese, right? Anyway, let's pull these veggies, plate this up, and we're eating good tonight. Oh. Rehydrate. Cheers. Let's give this radish a try. Crunchy, but you don't want them soggy, so not too bad, not too bad. I would have went 10 more minutes actually. This fella. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. That's awesome. That is awesome. Country style beef ribs. Oh, hell yeah. Damn. And this guy. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Man. And then, pork there, that mac and cheese. From the box, whatever. Man, I'm telling you what. Bacon mac and cheese from the box? Oh, hell yeah. You can't go wrong. Look at this. That was rocking. Snowstorm is here. It's maybe 50 degrees in here. It's not too bad. Just shut off the Pit Boss. Fan's still on. Keeping that going. Let's check outside. Ugh. No, thank you. I hate that yeah. I'm telling you what. Beef ribs, country style. Those are good. Onions and radish. Needed more time, but I love radishes fresh anyway. So that's and I don't mind eating onions either. So those are perfectly fine by my standards. I wanted to do them on the blacktop, ran out of propane. I was using this sucker to kick a little heat because my heater, that propane ran out as well. Time to refuel those tanks tomorrow. And yeah, damn good cook in a winter storm. We're only supposed to get like a half a foot of snow. Half a foot. It is what it is. So I want you guys to comment down below. What is your favorite way to eat beef ribs? Off the bone? What kind of rubs you like? And do you like these country style ribs? And do you put barbecue sauce on them? The very first time I've ever put barbecue sauce on beef ribs. And I will catch you guys next time. Oh, subscribe if it's your first time here. Hit the thumbs up, comment down below, hit that bell, smash it if you like. That's the way to do it anyway. And I will see you guys in the next cook. Peace.